All right, guys, let me show you some email subject lines that work. All right, this is going to be a cool ninja hack. But first, let me share with you 7 reasons why people buy and what we're always focusing on inside of our subject lines. The first one is to make money. Second one is people want to save money. People want to also save time. They want to save effort, and they also want to improve health. All right. People want to increase pleasure, and the last one is people want to eliminate pain. So let me show you some very simple topic, headline, and frameworks, all right? So topic, headline, frameworks, I should say. So the first one is X ways to Y. Now here's an example of what I'm talking about, which is 7 ways to fix your credit. 7 ways to fix your credit in less than 6 months. This one is more specific. The more specific you can get, the better it is. Now, if you're looking at that, if you're looking to fix your credit, if you're in that boat and you saw that subject line, would you open it? I know I would. Let's look at another one. What X taught me about Y. This one's really, really cool. Check this out. What professional real estate investors taught me about the Oakville real estate market. Now, if you're a real estate investor or you're looking at real estate and that subject line came up, what did professional real estate investors teach this dude, right? You want to know. What about this one? What an eavesdrop cleaner taught me about my roof. Wow, that's pretty, that piques your interest, doesn't it? So these are the things that this framework really works well with. The last one here I want to show you is how to do X without Y and Z. And this one example is how to buy real estate without a down payment or good credit. All right, so there's a couple of examples of some frameworks. Now, I want to give you some ninja headline hacks, which is really the cool part of this whole presentation. Here it is, right? This is what I've been doing for years, and I want to show you this because there's a couple things that you could do to turn these kind of things into your own frameworks, and you don't have to model or copy anybody else's subject lines, right? So here's how you do this. Let's look at this. Take a closer look at this cover, and we've got this in the corner that says girlfriend traits guys find freaking awesome. We can turn that right into our own framework. Blank traits, blank find freaking awesome. Real estate agents, traits people find freaking annoying. Great subject line. Puppy traits, new dog owners find freaking awesome, right? So you see how I turn that easily into a framework and you can spin it any way you want to. Let's check out the other one. Down at the bottom it says a new kind of date rape you must know about. Now, we don't want to talk about date rape, but hey, we can turn this into a framework for us, right? A new kind of blank you must know about. A new kind of credit card scam you must know about. A new kind of email marketing you must know about. These are all really cool subject lines, and they're all done by a framework by people who are paid thousands and thousands of dollars to write good headlines, and we can turn those headlines and all that money that people are spending on the Cosmos and all those copywriters into something that we can use in our own marketing. Let's take a look at another one, okay? Look at this one. There's 2 here that I want to share with you. The first one is this one, the scary thing 90% of men fantasize about. Well, let's turn that into our own framework. The blank thing 90% of blank about, right? So the scary thing 90% of new home buyers don't know about. Ooh, scary stuff. But it's a great headline. It's a great subject line. You can use this on opt-in pages. You can use it for headlines. But in this case, because of this video, it's for our email subject lines, and it will still work. The scary thing 90% of dog owners don't know about. If you're a dog owner and that subject line comes up in your email, I'm betting you're open that. Okay, so the last one here, or this next one here, is the secret calorie bomb. Are you eating it? Well, I don't want to talk about calories. I mean, I'm not in the weight loss industry, but I can turn this into a framework that I could use. The secret blank. Are you blanking it? Right. So the secret email subject line hack. Are you using it? Which is exactly what I'm showing you here. Right. So I can turn this video. Well, I can actually push people to this video using that exact subject line by sending it to my list. And they'll come here and they'll hopefully watch this video. Here's a couple of other ones that you might look at. Maybe, look at the industry magazines or trashy magazines. They're really great for coming up with headlines and subject lines, like the bottom one there on the star, which is celeb or shocking arrests. Celebs shocking arrest or something like that. For a real estate investor, maybe flipping homes, it might be my shocking discovery pics inside, and that email might be, it doesn't always have to be bad. It could be something about, well, hey, I went to flip this house, and my shocking discovery was that I took up the carpet and there was beautiful hardwood underneath, and all I had to do was polish it up, and boom, it's the house is now gained $20,000 or something like that, right? So it doesn't always have to be bad. Even industry magazines, whatever industry you are in, look at those industry magazines and model those dudes, because they're paid lots and lots of money to come up with headlines, and you can turn those into subject lines and also the frameworks that I just showed you in this short little video. So listen, if you want the 110 of the best email subject lines that I have found and used in terms of frameworks, you can download this thing right here. The URL is there. I'll put it below in the comments as well. You can just click on that, or I guess type it in, and get yourself the free email subject lines, and hopefully it'll help you out. I'm Joey Ragona. I'll talk to you soon.